The champ is here. Find out what I have inside this box that comes courtesy of the 757 in the defending AAA national champion Norfolk Tides. Yo, what is up, YouTube and the Monster Club? It is yours truly, the life of the party, the young go hard, and just like baseball with girls, I don't strike out because I am the party monster. Back in the house of Monster, back out with a brand new video. Y'all couldn't guess, it is opening day weekend for both the major leagues and the minors. Your boy's excited. That's why I throw on my Norfolk Tides game used jersey and everything. It's actually my very first Tides jersey, fun fact and everything. And this was back when they weren't really doing game worn jerseys where you just go buy at the stadium. I actually won this off an eBay auction, and I was probably like the first person to be out there at the game rocking one. So definitely a trailblazer in that aspect, but now everyone can get a game worn jersey. It's not that difficult. But still, nonetheless, your boy's excited about this particular video. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys my latest jersey pickup from the Norfolk Tides. I actually won this last year in an auction, and I'm finally getting to the unboxing portion of it. I know exactly what's inside the box, but it's still going to be fun nonetheless and everything to show you guys what I picked up and whatnot. But other than that, huge thank yous to everyone that came and hung out with me on my live stream last night. I am so sorry for all the lags and delays that I had during the contest, but again, for those that don't know, congrats to the winner, Gaming Life. He already knows his prize is in the mail. We're working on that. I've actually hit him up already, so that's coming to him. And let's just take a cheers to him and everyone that came through my live stream last night. And everyone that decided to join the Monster Club. I really do appreciate it. And another special thing happened last night. As I was doing my live stream, you guys surpassed the 300 subscriber mark, so we're doing another giveaway. So if you guys didn't win this one, I'm sorry, but you have another chance at the next giveaway I'm doing for a pair of shoes. So another one is coming very soon. I think I'm gonna do the gaming one first because that was already hit as well, and then the other shoe giveaway. So like I said, every 100 subscribers, I'm doing a giveaway. So keep smashing that subscribe button. Definitely share it on your Discord. Share it with your friends. And the quicker we get to the next 100 subscriber mark, the next giveaway we're going to do. And we're just going to keep it up. And we're just going to keep going. So again, thank you for all the love and support and everything. I love you, Monster Club. And as always, we party on. But anyways, we've already done our toast. So let's just right into this unboxing, shall we? Here it is. Again, I won this one in a auction they had on their website, as I almost cut myself in the process. One second, guys. Okay, not gonna lie, your boy was definitely struggling to open this box. Whoever taped it duct tape the hell out of this thing. So yeah, I finally got it open. Again, still slightly struggling, but it comes with a thank you. Well, this comes with like I don't know, it does come with a thank you card from the Tides. Thanks for your patience on your jersey auction. Go Tides, Norfolk Tides. It says what the jersey is. I took out that one word from the whole equation. Jersey number 18, size 44, non-player worn. It's still dope nonetheless. So basically it was made for the team and the player, but no one wore it, so new jersey for Kendall, haha. But anyway, here it is. It is the Norfolk Tides Monarchs jersey for the TV show on Fox, Monarch. I don't know if it's still a thing, but check it out. I love the colorway and everything. And for those that don't know, they are near Old Dominion. Like the stadium's probably like 10 minutes away. So I think that's kind of where they got their color scheme from and everything. But check it out. You got the cowboy hat on the end in Norfolk. And you got the horseshoe mascot. And this is the only gripe I have about this jersey. I love this jersey to death. But they kind of killed it with this right here. I'm okay with Monarchs. It's the Fox 43 that makes it look kind of cheapish in a way. Like, something that you could get for going to a game and being like one of the first 5,000 person like that would go to the game. Like, that's the only thing I don't like about it. But other than that, it's a cool jersey. I'll probably rock it this season when I go to a game and everything. And here's the minor league logo on the back of the jersey. That's how you can tell it's an official jersey for the minor leagues, because you don't have this on the replicas. Well, I think you do. You might have it. I'm not sure offhand. But you have the number. This is fire. It looks way better in person. Like, I thought it would look cool and everything, but I'm now in love with it and everything. So, yes, another Tides jersey to add to the collection. Okay, guys, so that's going to do it for this quick unboxing for my new Tides jersey. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Be sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Definitely share it with a friend. And my favorite part, if you feel the vibe, hit subscribe. As always, you guys can follow me on social media, on X at PartyMonster1, and on Instagram at PartyMonster05. But until then, always remember, don't be a dick. Be excellent to each other. Party on, dudes. Peace. I love y'all. Bye. Play ball.